This is the smart excel. So this is the continuation of my previous video and previous 5 videos. Please refer to other videos where we will be highlighting the areas which are common or uncommon. So here, as I had put a query, a suspense where how can we get the answer if you want to have a database which is here and the criteria are here and here. So how to make a joint? So we tried with the AND function, it was not working. So we tried with the countifs. And if you want, you can still try, but I have tried, but it's not working. So what is the right answer is, and what is the big question is, suppose you want to have to check the common or differences for this table or with this range or with this area, this array on the base with the basis of these two. So for these two already we have done the conditional formatting. So what we can do is first we can do a practical. So practical will be for the area over here. So it will be like you'll be doing like count if not if count if in parenthesis. Okay, so the range for this will be the area from here, and I will be locking the cells over here. So it's a range. It's a locked range. So F4, comma, and the criteria will be this cell. If you want, you can lock it or you can keep it unlocked. So I'll be 1, 2, and 3 times I'll be getting F4. So if you close the parenthesis over here, you get the answer. You can see 1 is the answer. So BTU is 1 time over here. So in the straight same way, you can pull it down. So you can see that the area which are 0 are uncommon. So these zeros are things which are non-common. Now either for this you can use less than or equal to 0 also. So if you use here, it will give you true or false. But I'm not using this over here. What I'll be doing is for this section to come, to on this area also, I'll be doing a double countif. So it will be like plus. Again, I will do a count if open parenthesis. So the range will be this area right now. So either I can select it in this way or I can select the whole set of data. So I'm hitting F4 to lock the cells, comma, and the criteria will be the same. So here I'm doing a F4 so that I can copy this formula to the next condition format. I'll be closing the parenthesis and hitting enter. Now you can double click down, you can see. So if you want to have check this formula, you can do is you can add this any way around. So if it is BTU is 2 times over here, 1 and it's 1 and 2 over here. You can copy the formula of control C and you can put here. So it becomes 3. If you want to put again over here, so again over here, it becomes 4. So this is the areas we have selected. So these are the criteria. So now the formulas are working fine. So to check to have the formatting in this way, you can copy the formula. Control C, plus C. Go to select anywhere. If you select this, you won't be able to get the conditional formatting. So copy the formula. Go to conditional formatting. New rules. Okay. Before that, select the data. Go to conditional formatting. Select new rule. This format table and here Control V. paste the formula and make into a different set. Making this as green and do OK and OK. Okay, let me recheck again. So I already have a format over here. So let me remove this first and edit the formula. So it is giving a double quote sign. Let me remove the double quotes. Let me check the formula. Okay, so I think by mistake it got a double quote. So here you can see the common area has been selected in these three set of sheets. So if you want, you can have a check. As I told you, you can use any of these things to recheck yourself. So if you want to see this area, this things to be copied, you can copy and you can paste anywhere here. When you paste it, automatically it gets highlighted. If you remove this, it's unhighlighted. So all the common things have been highlighted over here. So I hope you got this video and you got the logic to check. So we can use now not count ifs, we have to use double count if. So in the next videos I'll be showing you how to find the differences for the same three things. And I hope you understand this. Please share the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please give me a valuable comments so that I can also learn many things. And happy learning.